How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. I also got to put in the disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. So today we're going to be talking about AMC. I must say, I'm super excited. All of my apes hold it down today. I actually got some calls from a few of my friends saying, hey, I'm in AMC too, bro. So this is actually great to know. But of course, before we get into this video, I gotta go over the agenda. If you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below in the description. But if you are a shareholder or an ape like myself, I suggest you watch this full entire video because you're going to be getting some golden nuggets. So the first thing we're going to be going over are two updates that's going to have an impact on this stock. And then after, when that's done, we're going to be doing a technical analysis, taking a look at the price action. Many of you are asking me, did you see that strong sell-off that occurred around 140? Like, of course I seen it. Hey, I'm tracking this thing. So we're going to be talking about that, going over that, and why I feel like, you know what, I am still bullish, and the reason why you should be buying and holding, of course, if you are able to. We're also going to be taking a look at the order flow distribution. We want to see the diamond hands compared to the weak hands, the buying and the selling. This is very key because it will give us a good idea what to look forward to coming into tomorrow. And then when all of that is done, I'll be giving you my final thoughts. So let's get into it. So we're going to go over this recent news that came out for AMC, and I wanted to share it with you guys to show that, hey, the movement, we are definitely killing them on the street. So Interactive Brokers founder, don't short AMC meme stocks. They can soar to unimaginable highs. Short sellers should resist the temptation to bet against meme stocks like AMC Entertainment. Interactive Brokers Thomas Prefery told CNBC on Monday. These prices can go to unimaginable highs before they settle down to a reasonable valuation, Prefery said, warning that traders may have to cover on the high point. So let's kind of go over and read it very quickly to what they're talking about. It is extremely tempting to short these stocks, but unless you have huge liquid resources, please try to resist the temptation because these prices can go to unimaginable highs before they settle down to a reasonable valuation, and you may have to cover on the high point, the online brokerage pioneer said in an interview on CNBC. Shares of AMC soared more than 20% on Monday after rising 83% last week alone, despite declines on Thursday and Friday. The stock has gained about 2,500% in 2021. So that's what I wanted to kind of give you guys a quick update on. Yes, the movement, they are noticing it. They know what is happening. We have the Interactive Brokers, man, coming out and saying, hey, shorts, you might want to relax. You're going to get burned here. So this was great to see. So for the second update, US SEC says that observing the market as meme stocks rally. And this came out today. Just going to read through it quickly about what it's all about. So the Securities and Exchange Commission is observing markets and looking for any signs of misconduct and manipulation. The U.S. watchdog said on Monday as meme stocks, including feeder operator AMC Entertainment, continued to gain. Shares of AMC, supported by a pack of small-time individual traders, jumped another 20% in morning trade, extending gains into a third week as message boards hummed with hype about the potential squeeze Wall Street short sellers. SEC staff continues to monitor the market in light of ongoing volatility in certain stocks to determine if there have been any disruptions of the market. Manipulative trading or other misconduct, a spokesperson for the SEC said in a statement. In addition, we act to protect retail investors if violations of federal security laws are found. So this is definitely great to know. The SEC, let's see if they're going to be able to follow through and really crack down, especially on a lot of the naked shorting that is going down inside of the market. Of course, we got to be hopeful about this, be positive about this, and hope that they actually come through. I know many of you are saying, like, you know, the SEC is allowing them to get away with what they're getting away with, but hey, let's give them a chance, because if they could really put the hammer down, this could have a big time impact, and we could see this short squeeze even sooner. But we already know we need need to buy, hold, and be patient, and things will be coming together. And also to go over the update that came previous before this in regards to not shorting AMC, and it's not a great idea. I completely agree with this. Short sellers, watch out, because us apes are here to hold it down. And now let's get into the technical analysis, and then afterwards we're going to be going over the order flow distribution, taking a look at the buying and the selling behavior, diamond hands and the weak hands. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for AMC. So let's see how it performed on the day. So it ended up closing at $55, being up 14.80% on today. Congratulations to all of my apes that handled their business today. So on the low, we tested $51.50. Then on the high, testing $59.68. You could tell they definitely did not want us passing 60. So as we take a look at the chart, one of the things we want to take notice of, yes, this $60 level is proving as an area of resistance, and I also do see it as a psychological level. If we're able to pass this particular area, then I'm definitely looking forward to seeing a strong move to the upside and getting to that 62 range, and you guys already know what can happen after that. So taking all of this into consideration, one thing that I loved seeing from AMC today, we did a great job with some consolidation and holding up support in that mid 50 area. So that's why I was saying I'm looking forward to seeing 60 come tomorrow. Another thing to do, keep in the fact, and I want to talk about right here, when this happened, we saw it was literally holding up very strong for the entire day, came out with that pop. And then we had this huge sell-off that occurred right here around 145, and it got down to a low right here around 54.50. Definitely did kill a lot of momentum here, and I know a lot of the weak hands and paper hands ended up selling when they saw this as well. They were very concerned, but at the end of the day, they knew that we had a good opportunity of getting to that 60 level, but they didn't want that to happen. So that's why we ended up having this strong sell-off right here. But at the end of the day, I already know you guys are going to come through because we were able to actually recover from this, showing some strength, and now we're holding up right here in this mid 50 area where we feel very comfortable. You can also see in after hours we're around 56, but like I said, no surprises there. Of course, we are well above all of our indicators, and things are looking very good for AMC, and it's really good to see that it had a strong day as well. So I'm going to be looking out for some more volatility. We know they're going to be pulling out more tricks out of their hats, but I know that we're going to be prepared and ready for it. Now, as we take a look at the order flow distribution for AMC, on the inflow side, we have 4,256, and then on the outflow side, we have 3,862. For large scale orders, we have 32 on the inflow. We also have 3,427 on the medium, and then on the small, we have 796. On the outflow side, we have 35 that were large. Medium, we had 3,101, and then small, we had 725. As far as for the large scale orders in the last 5 days, we're going to be taking a look at today because we already looked at the previous ones. It is at 3.13, which is negative, so this means more selling. But even so, this is not even a big deal whatsoever because we saw the price action today and we were up. So what does this tell us? This means that apes are holding it down. This just means that people are buying and they are holding. Yes, we have a lot of selling that is going on, but for the most part, people are buying and holding, and that's what really matters here. So now let's get into the final thoughts. So for my final thoughts for AMC, I have to say it again. Congratulations to all of my apes out there, all of my shareholders who are in this play and who are a part of this movement. All we want is to see fairness inside of the market. That is all we are asking for. And the fact of the matter is they tried some manipulative tactics today, but I'm happy to see that a lot of our shareholders and apes were able to hold it down. We saw that drastic sell-off that occurred, and there's no doubt in my mind that was orchestrated. But for the most part, we were able to hold up that area of support in the mid 50s, and that's what matters. And we also did close above Friday's price. So taking this into consideration, things are looking really good going into Tuesday. I know in after hours right now, currently we're still maintaining that level, so that is great to see. So I'll be looking forward to actually seeing a gap up on the Tuesday morning. Another thing to go over, yes, we see the SEC is cracking down. We just want to make sure that they're able to actually follow through with this, and if they're able to do that, then I definitely do see a lot of hedge funds and financial firms are going to get burned if they are shorting AMC. Another thing that is great to see, we have the founder of Interactive Brokers coming out saying, hey, it is not smart to short AMC. You can really suffer from significant losses. That is right. That's what I want to hear, because they already know, they are shaking in their boots right now. This is a big time movement. There is a big time push. We put this all over on the weekend. A lot of people absorbing the info and being prepared for what the week could potentially look like. Knowing that there's going to be volatility. Knowing that these hedge funds are going to be doing everything in their power to force us to sell. And the fact of the matter is, we are still showing strength. So congratulate yourself, pat yourself on the back. I can't wait for tomorrow, and look out for a video because I'll be giving you guys another update, of course.